Hey everyone, Bassman Strikes here. This was just last week before our current cold snap, and I can say for sure this was the last trip of the 2022 kayak fishing season. This video is longer than my usual ones, so I included chapters so you can skip around to parts that might interest you. There are some really cool November low sun angle shots of the Milwaukee River, so stick around to see that. Please consider leaving a like and a comment, as that actually helps the channel out more than subscribing. And of course, if you want to subscribe, that would be great also. Thanks in advance. So what I'm doing right now is I'm slow trolling a jerkbait, and then giving it a jerk so it suspends, and then the kayak is taking up the slack. So I give it a jerk, let the kayak go forward, just take up the slack, jerk it again, and that gives it that pause. So we'll see. Water temp's 38 degrees. It's definitely gonna be a slow bite today. Hopefully I don't get skunked, but it's actually not bad out at all. There's light wind, it's sunny. Even though it's 40 degrees, this is still better than work, people. This late in the year on a river with impoundments, the smallmouth will move down to their wintering areas. So you want to concentrate on deeper bends and holes closer to the dam. Spots you might have caught smallmouth earlier in the year will be devoid of bass. There may be pike in the upstream areas, but the bass will be gone, unless there happens to be some deeper holes upstream, as not all of the smallmouth will migrate downstream. Some will actually go upstream to some deeper areas, but keep in mind, most do. I actually caught a couple of the bass in front of a dock that was in about 6 feet of water, but again, this was closer to the dam. There we go. Nice. There we go, folks. Look at that. 38-degree water. Not bad. There we go. Bass number 2. That dude is cold, man. Look at that. That was a hit. That's a nice one. Better not lose this one. Yes. Oh. Oh, look at that. That's a nice fish, dude. Look at that. That's a beautiful fish. 38-degree water. Let's see. That's got to be pushing 17 at least. Oh, 16. 16. Still nice. Oh, look at that. All right, well, I guess no release cam on this one. There he goes. There you go, another one. He's barely hooked. Barely hooked. Come on. There you go, that ain't bad. Let's spin around a little bit here. There you go, bass number 4, that ain't bad. Check out those other spots. Oh, you bombed me with shit. One super effective tactic most of the fall was trolling a micro chatterbait with no skirt. This was actually more effective than trolling any other lure, including jerkbaits. The key when trolling a chatterbait is to remove the skirt and just use a trailer like a grub or a paddle tail. What is that, a pike?
we go, a little skinny pike. Oh, yeah, great. Yeah. Barely hooked. Well, it's not a bad bass. It's a decent one. That's not a bad fish at all. There we go, folks. That's not a bad fish.
Well, that's it for 2022, folks. Thanks for coming out in the water with me this past season, and I hope everyone has a great Thanksgiving and Christmas season. While this was the last trip of 2022, I have tons of content left to publish from September through the first week of November. So stay tuned for that. Bassman out. Thanks for watching Bassman Strikes Kayak Fishing. If you like this video, please click the subscribe and like buttons. If you would like to be notified of new content, click the bell button. If you have any questions about lures, equipment, etc., please leave a comment. Also, be sure to check out our Facebook page and join our group Black Bass Central. Links will be in the description. We'll see you next time.